Class 10, Chapter 11, Trigonometry, first bit, second one. Check out the remaining problems in the playlist and also subscribe my YouTube channel Rajesh Babu Maths. First bit, evaluate the following. Second one, cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosec 60 degrees. But you should know the values. Without knowing the values, you can't substitute in this. For that purpose, I'll tell one technique. Now 30 degrees, 60 and 45 degrees I'll tell. Afterwards, 90 and 0 degrees I'll tell. 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 45 degrees technique I'll tell. First 30 degrees and 60 degrees, next 45 degrees I'll tell. If you know only two values, you can find on 60 degrees total and 30 degrees. First 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. Okay, you know this 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2, you can write the 60 total values and 30 total values. Now see, first to remember this sine value, sine, cos, tan. Okay, 1 by 2 root 3 by 2, and in this numerator 1, in this numerator is 3, means root 3, means 1 by root 3 tan value. Sine, cos, tan we got. Now 1 by 2 root 3 by 2, here root 3 by 2 should write in root for 60 degrees, root 3 by 2, and here 1 by 2, and in this numerator is root 3, in this numerator is 1, means root 3, tan is root 3. Now in this only 1 by root 2 you remember, means finish. This 1 by 2 there, no, for that only keep root. 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2, this is sine value, this is cos value, tan value what, 1 by 1, means 1. Okay, only you remember like this, 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. These two values you know, means you can find all the values. For 30 degrees, this is for 30 degrees I am telling, this is for 30, this is sine, this is cos value, tan value means 1 by root 3, numerators. Okay, numerators tan 1 by root 3, same as the 60 degrees you want write, means this root 3 by 2 you should write, and this 1 by 2 you write, and root 3 by 1 means root 3 only. 45 degrees means this 1 by 2 only write, magar square root keep 1 by root 2 and 1 by 1 1. Okay, only you know these values, means you can find 30, 60, 45, and this reciprocals means numerator becomes denominator, reciprocal means it change, sine means cosec, cosec means what, 1 by 2 means 2 by 1, like that. Okay, now we want cos 45, this is sine values, cos value, cos 45 means 1 by root 2, numerator is 1 by root 2 by secant 30 degrees. In this 30 degrees, cos reciprocal is secant, cos root 3 by 2 means secant 30 degrees 2 by root 3, reciprocal will change 2 by root 3, and this plus as is write down. Cosec 60, cosec means cosec reciprocal is sine, means sine, this is sine value, this is cos value, this is tan value. Okay, sine 60 degrees is equal root 3 by 2, sine reciprocal what, cosec, means sine 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2, means cosec 60 degrees is equals to 2 by root 3, reverse. Okay, if you know the values, means you directly write down. Okay, now 1 by root 2 as it is write down, numerator 1 by root 2 numerator part, and denominator value root 3 same there, no, therefore like fractions can be added and subtracted, no, therefore root 3 2 plus 2, numerator will add numerators, 2 plus 2 is equals to this 1 by root 2 as it is write down, numerator part, and denominator 2 plus 2 4 by root 3. Okay, 1 by root 2 divided by 4 by root 3. See, two fractions with division there, means when we convert into multiplication, what, denominator reciprocal will change. When you will get confused, means what you do, means you write like this, 1 by root 2, this is numerator part, and you keep a division symbol, and this 4 by root 3 write down, 4 by root 3. Writing after what you do, means 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 into multiplication, we are converting to division, we are converting to multiplication, means what, this 4 by root 3 means root 3 by 4, reciprocal will change, root 3 by 4. Okay, directly write means what, this 4 by root 3 means what? Root 3 by 4. Here you should write in this place. Okay. Now 1 into root 3 is equals to root 3. Okay. By 4 into root 3, 4 into root 2 is equals to 4 root 2. Therefore answer is root 3 by 4 into root 2. Once I'll tell in Hindi and Telugu. Cos 45 degrees बोलते 1 by root 2, secant 30 degrees बोलते 2 by root 3, cosec 60 degrees बोलते 2 by root 3. ये डिनोमिनेटर सेम है ना, डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो यहाँ पर ऐड कर सकते हैं. लाइक फ्रैक्शंस के लिए भी एडेड एंड सब्सट्रैक्ट है ना, हम लोग यहाँ पर प्लेस है तो ऐड करेंगे. ये 2 + 2 by root 3, 2 + 2 बोलते 4. ये न्यूमरेटर 1 by root 2 सेम एस्टिस लिखो. ओके, उसको चेंज नहीं करना. ये 2 + 2 4 by root 3 एस्टिस लिखे. ये डिवीजन में है ना, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए खाली मैं डिवीज़न सिंबल लिखा. ईजी तुमको समझ में आता है इसलिए डिवीज़न सिंबल लिखना है. डिवीज़न में है ना, इसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट करना बोलते करे तो क्या होता, ये रेसिप्रोकल चेंज होता. 4 by root 3 बोलते root 3 by 4 में लिखना. न्यूमरेटर 1 into root 3 बोलते root 3, डिनोमिनेटर root 2 into 4 बोलते 4 into root 2. కన్సల్టెంట్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. ఈ cos 45 degrees అంటే 1 by root 2, ఈ sec 30 అంటే 2 by root 3, cosec 60 అంటే 2 by root 3. ఈ న్యూమరేటర్ సేమ్ యాస్టీస్ రాయాలి. డినామినేటర్ వాల్యూ సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు, సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి యాడ్ చేస్తాం. రూట్ 3 ఒకసారి రాసి న్యూమరేటర్ 2 + 2, దీంట్లో న్యూమరేటర్ 2 + 2 ఇక్కడ రాసాము. 2 + 2 యాడ్ చేస్తాం. న్యూమరేటర్ సేమ్ రాయాలి 1 by root 2. ఈ 2 + 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే 4 by root 3. తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఈ డివిజన్లో ఉన్నదాన్ని మనం మల్టిప్లికేషన్ కన్వర్ట్ చేయడానికి ఏం చేస్తాం, డైరెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ రెసిప్రోకల్ చేంజ్ చేయొచ్చు. మీకు అర్థం కావాలంటే ఇంకో స్టెప్ రాసా. 1 by root 2 రాసి ఈ డివిజన్ సింబల్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టా. 4 by root 3 రాసా. ఈ డివిజన్ సింబల్ తీసేసి మల్టిప్లికేషన్ సింబల్ పెట్టండి. తర్వాత ఈ 4 by root 3ని మనం రెసిప్రోకల్ చేంజ్ చేయాలంటే 4 by root 3 అంటే root 3 by 4గా రాయాలి. రాసిన తర్వాత పైని మల్టిప్లై అయ్యింది. 1 into root 3, root 3, root 2 into 4 అంటే 4 into root 2. హెన్స్ వి ప్రూవ్డ్.